If you clicked on this video thinking this is just another positive thinking video, then I'm sorry, it's not. Because what I'm about to tell you is something that you're already doing every day. And it might be the exact reason why your life is not changing. आप efforts कर रहे हो, try कर रहे हो, फिर भी same results आ रहे हैं. There's a reason. और वो reason motivation नहीं है. Discipline भी नहीं है. It's something much smaller. Some phrases that you say even without noticing. और जब आप इन्हें notice करोगे, you won't be able to ignore them again. Give me the next 8 to 10 minutes and I'll tell you exactly how you can change your life completely. This might change how you think about yourself. Once you notice this, you won't be able to unsee it. Let's start with the first phrase. The first phrase is I hope. I hope my life improves. I hope things get better. I hope I become successful. Sounds positive, right? But it's not. I hope is a polite doubt. It sounds like belief, but it's actually uncertainty. और आपका brain इस चीज़ को बहुत seriously लेता है. Your brain listens to your language to decide how certain you are. And certainty changes behavior. The word hope signals uncertainty. It might happen, it might not. Now let me ask you something. If you knew, not hoped, but knew that all your goals will be fulfilled and you will be able to achieve all your dreams, would you act differently today? Of course you would. You would take faster actions, you would take bold actions, and you would stop overthinking because you know in your heart that you can achieve your goals and you will achieve them. You would show up with confidence, and that's the gap. Hope waits while knowing moves. Most people do not fail because they lack talent, they fail because their internal language is training them to be hesitant. Michael Jordan was once rejected from his school team. Imagine if he would have thought that I hope I succeed someday. That mindset does not create greatness. He trained like someone who already knew that he would improve. Not hope, decision. एक certain decision आपकी identity change करता है और आपकी identity आपके actions को change करती है. So from today onwards, instead of saying that I hope things work out, replace it with saying that I know that I'm improving. I know I have the control of my life. I know that I can become successful. Do you feel that energy shift? I hope puts you in waiting mode while I know puts you in action. So next time you catch it, change it immediately. Now let's talk about the second phrase. The second phrase that we often use but is not that positive as we think it to be is I need. I need more money. I need someone to love me. I need this opportunity. Sounds positive, right? But listen carefully. Need is equal to lack. Every time that you say I need, you reinforce what is missing in your life. और आपका brain क्या करता है? It looks for proof. Proof that you do not have enough. Proof that you are lacking. Proof that you're behind. And slowly it becomes your reality. Have you noticed how people are attracted to confident people and not desperate people? And the same rule applies to life as well. Sarah Blakely, who's the founder of Spanx, started her brand with almost nothing. She just had $5,000 from her savings and did not have any investors, no big network. Imagine if she kept telling herself that I need more money, I need investors, I need funding to start my business, she would still be waiting. Instead, she chose to use what she already had. She moved from need to choice. And that's where the magic happened for her. So from the next time onwards, replace I need with something more positive. Example, instead of saying I need more money, say that I know that I'm building more income. Instead of saying I need someone to love me, say that I know I'm already that person who is complete. Instead of saying I need more opportunities, say that I create more opportunities. And instead of saying I need more growth, say that I'm choosing growth for myself now. I need keeps you in chasing, while I choose or I create keeps you in control. और control ही आपका confidence बनाता है. Now coming to the third phrase, which is also the most dangerous one and which is silently killing your potential. And that phrase is I cannot. I can't do this, I cannot change, I cannot start again. The moment you say I cannot, your brain shuts down. It stops looking for solution because you have already decided that you cannot. और ब्रेन को डिसीजंस पसंद होते हैं, फिर चाहे वो लिमिटिंग डिसीजंस ही क्यों नहीं हो. What if the real problem is not your situation, but the words that you keep telling yourself on a daily basis? Thomas Edison failed a multiple times before he invented the light bulb. Imagine if after just 2-3 attempts he would have said that I cannot do this. Game over. But he did not do that. He tried and failed multiple times. And instead of saying I cannot, he completely changed the narrative. He said that I found multiple ways, 1,000 ways for things that did not work out. And that changes the mindset completely. So from now onwards, instead of saying I cannot, replace it with I can figure this out. I can turn things around for myself. I can find solutions for my problems. And your brain will automatically start looking for solutions. I cannot completely closes the door, while I can still keeps it open. और open mind ही growth को allow करता है. Now let's connect everything together. Your words create your thoughts create your identity, and your identity creates the actions that you take. And those actions become your life. And this is not motivation, this is conditioning. Neuroscience says that repetition builds patterns. और जो आप repeatedly खुद को बोलते हो, वही आपकी reality बन जाता है. So what if nothing is wrong with your life, but the only thing which is misaligned is your language, the words that you keep telling yourself every day? So here's a challenge for you. For the next 7 days, whenever you catch yourself repeating these phrases, replace them. Replace I hope with I know. Replace I need with I choose. And replace I cannot with I can. Simple but powerful. You don't change your life when your circumstances improve. You change your life when your identity shifts. और identity shift होता है daily language से. So choose your words very carefully because they are choosing your life. If it resonated with you, then don't just watch the video or like it, but do this for 7 days and come back on this video and comment down below what changed for you. I'll see you in the next one.